Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today is going to be working on the Integra some more, but this time it is a little bit more of a dedicated video. If you guys remember me saying, if you're new to the channel or you're just popping in this video because of the carpet cleaning thing, working on doing interior restoration on my Integra here, and this carpet is in some dire need of some help. So what we're going to do is going to be cleaning the absolute piss out of it, because this thing is the original carpet. And before anybody jumps in the comments and says, why don't you just replace the carpet, they have pre-molds, blah blah blah. The color of the carpet is palmy blue. Nobody sells that, and it's really hard to find just in general anything for this car, let alone a carpet kit. So I got some dye. I'm gonna try my best to clean this up and then maybe re-dye it a little bit, because there's some stains, like I don't know, Lord, what that is. But I'm going to try my best to get this cleaned up and dye it. And also I don't feel like dealing with one of the pre-mold kits. This carpet's still in pretty good shape. It's still pretty fluffy for the most part. So, work with it. Doesn't cost me nothing, but I think each of these dye bottles were $3 a piece. I bought a 3-pack for like $9 on Amazon, and then shipping. So it was like $18 shipped for express shipping. So can't beat that. So, yeah, let me show you what we're working with. This is the carpet that's been in the car since I've got it, presumably original, obviously. So full palmy blue interior. Yeah, nasty stains here in the middle. It's like, these cars don't come with cup holders, so I think the main thing was that people would put their drinks in the middle here where the emergency brake is. They'd take a turn and it would spill. I know that happened to me a few times, so not the most pleasant thing. But yeah, so we're just gonna drill brush it. We're going to clean it. We're going to steam it, or whatever the thing's called, I don't know. And then we'll dye it. So this is the dye that we'll be using. I got this on Amazon. Like I said, it was $3 a bottle, so basically $8 for a 3-pack, and this is 8 ounces, so 24 ounces total. The dye basically tells you mix at your own discretion, so it's pretty darn close to the color that I have now, so I'm gonna probably just end up using a whole bottle to 1 gallon, because I think I got about a gallon bug sprayer thing. So gonna work with this. And if you guys want to get the same stuff, go ahead and hit the Amazon affiliate link in the description. That gives me a couple bucks or a couple cents, I'm sure, for a commission. So yeah, that helped me out, but let's get started.
should have started with this.
Alright, so now that we got the carpet nice and clean, went through and did some extra cleaning on it. Used the power washer, got a lot of the crap out like you guys saw, and then took the shot vac thingy, or the whatever it's called, the cleaner, and sucked out as much of the water as we could. Then we went and got lunch, let it sit in the sun so it's nice and dry. And so we just poured over just a little over a gallon of some steaming hot water. We put it in the microwave for a couple minutes, and then we're just doing a whole bottle of the dye, gonna shake it up nice, and then see if that is like a good shade. So Alright, so both sets of floor mats, whatever, got 3 heavy coats. So this one was already black beforehand because I have mixed match floor mats, because when I did my right-hand drive conversion, I had a guy in Australia send me this one because this is a right-hand drive driver's side one, and that one's a actually a right-hand drive left side one, but that one was that was palmy blue, this was black. So other than this one being darker, ignore that. Carpet looks good. That back corner is a little bit more purple just because that was a very light spot from like sun fade or something on the carpet, but overall the color is dope. A little bit more of a dark purplish color than I would like, but it looks good nonetheless. It doesn't look black, at least in person. The camera looks a little bit black, but in person it's a little bit more purple. Still gives it a kind of classic Honda-esque look to it. So yeah, we're just gonna let this dry in the sun for a few hours. So it's been a few hours now. The floor mats are still a little bit damp just because they hold a lot more moisture, whereas the carpet's a lot thinner. But yeah, carpet's looking pretty nice. So I was gonna put it in, but I just actually, in the midst of waiting for that stuff to cure, I came in here and I used some, because I took out all the sound deadening, all the big old tar stuff. So I just came in here with some cans of the freaking undercoating, the Rust-Oleum undercoating corrosive for rust preventative spray stuff that, I don't know, I got the nice stuff, so it also acts like a sound deadener as well. So, gonna let this stuff dry for a day or so, probably till tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'll probably come in and put the carpet in. But yeah, so I think that's gonna wrap up this video. Chipping away, making steady progress on this interior restoration. So hopefully the undercoating spray does me justice. I can paint over it, but I don't know if I will, because again, I have full interior in the front for the most part, so nothing's gonna be exposed. So I think it may be just worth my time to just paint the back half, since I'm just doing the white over again. But anyways, that's different topic, different video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing if you want to see more of the stuff on the Integra. some more S2000 stuff and so on and so forth. Again, if you want to get yourself some of this dye stuff, hit the link in the description for the Amazon affiliate link. The stuff seems to work pretty well. The only thing I notice right now to the touch, it's kind of crusty, so I may have to take some, like after a day or so after it's fully dried up, may want to take some like fabric softener and spritz the carpet and kind of gently rub it around with a brush or something, you know, soften it up a little bit. But after that, it should look mint. If you guys also want to go check out a very good video about this, if you're unsure for yourself, Refined Movement has a very good video on it, and he has a follow-up since he did his a long time ago. So be sure to go check them out if you're curious at all. Anyways, guys, merch in the Big Cartel in the description. Do what you love, think about the rest, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.